hardly ever use the Wi-Fi. It's rested on stuff usually.
This happens.
Wait, where are we going?
Or around the right side. Try and get in over there. Go! I'm still recording? Holy crap! How did she get through that? I got two. They all went left! They're inside! They got the ship! Yeah, they got it! They all went on this side! Ross, it's me!
Okay, cool.
Fuck you! They're up there! Got it. Oh shit. Watch out. There's a guy in the church. Make sure he doesn't shoot you. Really? Corey, watch the church.
I'm gonna get you guys. What about on the left?
Just suppress the window.
Whoa, wait! You didn't point your gun at me.
I got
point your gun
you.
at me. And he's banging you. What? No. It was up in the air. Oh, okay. Sorry. Bang!
Bang! Fuck.
Clear that. Clear.
Bang!
Do we need another grenade?
Fuck it. Just two of us at once. Wait, get up here with me. No, dude, just come on, gun. Just point your gun up there and kneel back. Clear. Watch the stairs, I gotta get my RPK. Hey, can one of you guys go downstairs? What? Can one of you go downstairs? Anybody on Ross's team downstairs? You get hit?
Yeah.
Okay. My grenade didn't fucking go off. I should have used that tape. Ross, right side. What? Anybody down there on Ross's team? Ross's. That guy was the last guy.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Ow! Fuck! Hit! Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, we're good. Ross is still up there.
Are we still in there?
Ross is. One other guy. That was silly. Randy's up there now. Where are they, Chris? Front end of the ship back there? He's done, Chris. Move forward. Reload, then move forward. Gordy, move. Oh, where? He's moved. He moved. He's in the church. Reloading. Come on, Chris. We got one guy behind the church. Gordy, how'd you get in? Left side or right? Hang on. That doesn't sound good. Chris, hey Chris, you can't come in this way. There's an invisible wall here.
That's invisible wall, I can't go.
Is it here?
We need to go around to those two little doors. Chris, come on! Chris, where'd you go? Oh, that side. Okay.
Huge. Cool.
Pay attention, Chris. I don't see him!
Two enemies! House on the right! Brick! Second house!
I see him!
Window, doorway! Coming down the middle! Right side of the ship! Hunger!
Got him. I see him! Huh? No shot at me. Well, that went well.
Let's bring it in!
That's what the paper is.
Oh.
Stuck there?
Yeah.
Oh, the magnet is motor.
I'm using them for pins for my grenades because I keep losing them.
You guys draw a little too much attention.
I mean, I'm right there with you.
That's true. Thank you. You're the only person who's gotten me.
Yeah, I got you both games. I've gotten like 2 people, and I've been hit like 30 times. And I'm completely out of it. Ran out like mid of that game. So.